Today we'll be discussing on a very important topic. Change your words, change your life. Words impact us in two ways. The words which go on in our subconscious mind within, and the words which come out of our mouth in the external world. The purpose of this talk is to increase our self-awareness in such a way to understand that our words attract the events in our life. Words definitely impact us, and we lend energy to the words. And every word which we think or we speak gives a subtle energy to the body. Let us see how it works. Whenever someone speaks harshly to us, immediately the muscles become tight. We become constricted and restricted. The heart immediately narrows down and the body feels unsafe. The body wants to shy away and doesn't want to be open, and the person will pull his limbs near to his heart. Words have tremendous energy. When I feel rested, safe, connected and happy, difficult words fail to impact me. When difficult words are said in a different tone, like loving, joyful, playfully, silly, they lose their impact on me. Similarly, when positive words are said with a difficult tone, I feel disturbed. I can give you an example. If I say, "You're so foolish," immediately there is a signal in the body which will tighten the muscles, restrict myself, my heartbeat may increase, my breathing rate may increase. And if I just say, "You're so foolish," in a loving way, other person feels good about it. The word is the same, but the energy is totally different. When I hear one difficult word amidst a lot of positive words, I feel less disturbed. And when I hear one nice word amidst a lot of hurtful words, I forget the good word easily. Doesn't it happen in your life? When difficult words are repeated again and again, the body slowly shuts down. The shoulders will shrug. The person will stoop down. And the person will internally cut off the other person from the life. Because the words and the body are very deeply connected through the subconscious mind. Although externally he will show that he is hearing, but internally, get lost. That is what he feels. The same happens when the words are said in a higher decibel each time. For example, "You're such a fool." Now this has a different impact. And if I say, "You're such a fool," this has a different impact. The words are same, but the energy is different. Always and never are two words which we should avoid in our dictionary. Always and never. You are always like this. Never ever you have done one good thing for me. Now just tell me, is it possible? Every person has a good part, or he has a positive part in his life and a negative part. But using the word always and never and making things superlative spoils the energy in relationship. Judgments and thought play a big role in how we feel, and they carry energy. I still remember the ad which would come in my childhood days. "Shaadi aur tumse kabhi nahi." And then he would take the toffee, I don't remember, pan pasand or what. "Shaadi aur tumse kabhi nahi."
क्या? शादी और तुमसे कभी नहीं।
पान पसंद, पान का स्वाद, गजब की मिठास।
शादी और तुमसे कभी नहीं।
Isn't the energy different? The words are same. So we put energy in the words by virtue of the tone, by virtue of the decibel, by virtue of the frequency, by how much we are pulling that word, and it could act like a flower or it could act like a thunderbolt. My dear friends, please put in the comment, your words are like flowers or is it like a thunderbolt? Judgments and thought add meaning to the word. They become part of the belief system and they impact us. Intentions also play a big role as how the word is conveyed. If the relation and rapport is strong, even the most toughest word seems very loving. Just like a lover loves to look at the angry face of the lover and says, "Gusse mein tum aur sundar lagti ho." Right? If a child is doing a nagging sound, I say, "Stop it, you're irritating me." But if my good friend, whom I really love, and he does on phone, I say, go on. Oh my God, the word is the same, but the energy is totally different. It is told, if you love that person, you love all his faults also. And if you hate a person, even a small mistake, you show it like as if he has committed the biggest blunder. So that is how the words have energy. Our body picks up signals of thoughts and judgment. If someone throws a stone at me, will I go and embrace the stone? Or will I just run away? Will I just close down? Or will I just put my hand that I don't want it? Words are more powerful than stones. It may not be visible, but it has the energy. It tightens, the muscle tightens when we feel unsafe. It expands when we feel safe. The system shuts down when someone talks harshly, but we generally ignore the body's signals. And if this signal goes on and on and on, finally the body becomes sick. One of the huge researches in medical science shows that constant negative words can make a person extremely sick, and when a system gets blocked and the chakras get blocked, it may eventually end up even in a cancer. I hope, my dear friends, you understand the power of words. In the next topic, we will be going much more into details. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel right now and put your comments if you have any questions, queries, or any sharing. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary, your ancient Indian Vedic ambassador. You can also download my app from the Google Store, Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna